What's going on, everybody? You are watching Ben Travels TV. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Join me as we head outside in the desert as Las Vegas, Nevada is hit with a rare snowstorm. We attempt to go outside and have fun in the snow with my family in a rare blizzard. You gotta stay tuned.
Baby, Ben's shoes snowed in. So it's snowing right now. It was raining and now it's snowing. This is Vegas, baby. Vegas. It's snowing on the cars, there's snow on the trees, even on our trash cans.
All right, you guys, me and my family, we saw that it was snowing at night and we knew that it was going to be a snowstorm. It was February 2019. This is a throwback video. Las Vegas was completely covered in snow. I had to go to work the next morning. I attempted to drive to work and I said, I think I'm calling out today and I'm just going to enjoy the day with my family as a snow day. You guys check out the rest of this video. I'll jump back in a minute. All right, you guys, that was me driving. I said, forget about it. I'm turning around. I'm going back. I'm going to look around and see how much snow we're actually having. And it was definitely an opportunity to tell the kids, the wife, let's stay home today. Let's head to the snow and let's try and build up a snowman, just like the kids love Frosty. So why not? You only live once, right? YOLO. So we stayed home, enjoyed the snow on the northwest side of Las Vegas in the Providence, Skye Canyon area.
It's snow day here in Providence, Las Vegas, Nevada.
You might want to focus.
It's a lovely day in Nevada. These are in our house. These are our neighbors with the big Hummer. Driving, one hand with the camera, one hand on the car.
Incredible. You're one in a million.
Wow, look at the snow. Snow. Trees with snow.
All right, you guys, so we're just leaving our neighborhood. We're in the gated community. We're gonna hit that gate there. This is a park that my kids love playing at. Right there, completely covered in snow, right? I know this is after the holidays, but still, it's rare in the desert to have a lot of snow. It has happened before in Las Vegas, particularly Summerlin and the Red Rocks. You'll see it even down in Henderson. Of course, we have Mount Charleston to the north as well. Over here, we're just a few exits away from Kyle Canyon, so we're really close to the mountains here in the Nevada desert. You guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Snowman. Wow.
Snowman. Snowman.
Everybody's driving around, they want to see it.
Winter Wonderland in February 2019.
Wow. Snow. Come on, don't be scared. There you go. All right?
out here stuck in the blizzard. Straight up. Man. Everybody out up in here.
You guys building a snowman. Uh-oh. Snowman, right? BK, look. You giving a snowman? Is that right, Julia? BK? Yeah? Uh-oh.
Oh, wait a minute. We're building a snowman, not tearing it down. Let's try to fix it. This is a skinny little snowman.
Slide over there. All right, now slide over here. Looks like an angel.
See the snow? Over there? No? Yeah. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah? The snowman? See the snowman over there? Yeah.
All right, you guys, we have come to the conclusion of this video. We were in the Providence, Skye Canyon area, particularly to be exact. Providence is where we were here in 2019. Hey, you never know what can happen in the desert, especially in the wintertime, cold temperatures in Nevada. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm out.